Hi guys, if you've got a part of your video that you want blurring out and you're using Davinci Resolve, it's pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it. So here, I'm just going to play this little video. What I want to do is to blur out that number plate, okay? So I'm going to send it back to where I want it to start from, which is about there. Then what you need to do is you need to click on colour. Sorry, first of all, you need to cut it at the start of the clip and then move it across to the end of the clip and cut it again there. Then what you need to do is to go back to the beginning of the clip, highlight it, click on colour, and then what you need to do is you need to pick a screen, which is this one here, and I'm going to choose a rectangle for this. So I'm going to choose a rectangle. I'm going to move it up to about there. I'm going to just press the forward button on the keyboard a couple of times just to get the number plate into view. Then what I want to do is to drag this box to round about the size of the number plate. So we'll drag it to about there. Then what you need to do is to click on tracking, which is this one here. So click on tracker and click on, I'm going to click step by step, frame by frame. And what you need to do is to track it. Just keep clicking it till you get to where you want it to be the end of the clip. And I would say about there. Then once you've done that, you click on the blur, which is these two here. So you click on blur and you send these bits up here, the radius, to as much as you would like to blur it out. I'm going to send it right to the top for this clip. And then if you click on edit, go back to the beginning of the clip and play the video, you'll see it's all blurred out. So I'm hoping that helps, and if you like it, click on like, and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.